Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews on the market. And today, we've got something special in store for you. The Vizio V-Series 5.1 Home Theater Soundbar. Now, I know you're here because you want to know if this is the best home theater system out there. Well, I'm here to tell you that it just might be. Stick around as we dive into the features, performance, and everything you need to know about this amazing soundbar. But first, let's unbox this bad boy and see what's inside. Inside the box, you'll find the soundbar itself, a wireless subwoofer, a remote control, and all the necessary cables for a hassle-free setup. The build quality is top-notch, and I have to say, it looks sleek and modern. Setting up the Vizio V-Series 5.1 is a breeze. You can connect it to your TV via HDMI ARC for high-quality audio. And if you prefer a wireless connection, it's got Bluetooth too. Plus, it's voice assistant compatible, so you can control it with your voice. Now, let's talk about the most important thing, the audio performance. This soundbar packs a punch. With Dolby Audio and DTS digital surround support, you'll experience brilliant clarity and thunderous bass. It's like having a movie theater in your living room. The 5.1 channel configuration and full-range drivers deliver coherent sound and brilliant clarity. And don't forget about the wireless subwoofer. It may be compact, but it provides deep, accurate bass down to 50 Hz. Trust me, you'll feel every explosion and rumble. But that's not all. This Vizio soundbar has additional features like dialogue enhancement (EQ), DTS Virtual X for virtualized 3D sound, and even a front surround mode to enhance your audio experience. In conclusion, the Vizio V-Series 5.1 Home Theater Soundbar is an absolute beast when it comes to delivering immersive audio. With its sleek design, easy setup, and powerful performance, it's no wonder it's Amazon's choice in the home audio soundbars category. So, if you're looking to take your home theater experience to the next level without breaking the bank, the Vizio V-Series 5.1 soundbar is the way to go. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy watching.